Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kaistorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. This February, we continue a thoughtful and emotional journey. One that looks beyond fame and glamour to uncover the real stories of extraordinary personalities whose lives left a deep mark on the world. These are individuals who capture global attention not only because of their success, but because of the truths their lives reveal about humanity, vulnerability, and the cost of fame. For today's vlog, we turn our focus to Marilyn Monroe, a woman celebrated as a timeless icon, yet deeply misunderstood behind the spotlight. The world saw beauty, charm, and stardom, but behind the flashing cameras was a woman navigating loneliness, pressure, and a relentless public gaze. Her story reflects how fame can uplift and quietly break a person when compassion and understanding are missing. Ang tunay na buhay ni Marilyn Monroe ay nagpapaalaala sa atin na sa likod ng bawat public image, may isang totoong tao na gustong makita, marinig at pahalagahan. Hindi lang dahil sa itsura, kundi sa kung sino talaga siya. Ang iniwan niyang pamana ay hamon sa atin na pag-isipan muli kung paano natin tinatrato ang mga babae, ang mga sikat na personalidad at ang mga taong tahimik na lumalaban habang ang mundo ay patuloy na pumapalakpak. This February, we don't tell these stories to sensationalize but to understand, to remember, and to grow. Let's look deeper into the life behind the legend and the lessons Marilyn Monroe still lives with the world. So stay with me mga kaistorya, because here at Home with Mardy, in every story there is a lesson and in every life there is a meaning. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. So here are 7 real and amazing facts about Marilyn Monroe, going beyond the glamour to the truth behind the icon. Number 1, her real name was not Marilyn Monroe. Long before the world knew her as a Hollywood icon, Marilyn Monroe entered life under a very different name. Ipinanganak siya bilang Norma Jane Mortenson noong June 1, 1926 sa Los Angeles. Isang simpleng pangalan, malayo sa glamour at kinang na kalaunan niyang kakatawanin. Ang pangalang Marilyn Monroe ay nabuo lamang paglipas ng ilang taon nang pumirma siya ng kontrata sa 20th Century Fox. Isa itong pangalan na sadyang nilikha ng studio upang baguhin ang isang marupok na batang babae tungo sa isang simbolo ng kagandahan, allure at kasikatan. Ang simula ng isa sa pinakahindi malilimutang identidad sa kasaysayan ng pelikula. Number 2, she had a troubled and unstable childhood. Behind the dazzling smile and screen presence of Marilyn Monroe was a childhood marked by uncertainty and emotional hardship. Because of her mother's mental illness and inability to care for her, Marilyn spent much of her early life moving between foster homes and even an orphanage. Stability was something she rarely knew growing up. Ang tuloy-tuloy na pakiramdam ng pagkaligaw at kawalan ng matibay na tahanan ay nag-iwan ng malalim na sugat sa kanyang damdamin. Dahil sa kakulangan ng isang ligtas na bahay at tuloy-tuloy na aruga ng magulang, nabuo sa kanya ang matinding paghahangad ng pagmamahal, reassurance at pakiramdam ng tunay na pag-aari. Mga damdaming sumunod sa kanya hanggang sa kanyang pagtanda at tahimik na nakaapekto sa kanyang mga personal na pinagdadaanan at naging sa kanyang buhay bilang isang public figure. Number 3, she was highly intelligent and well-read. Behind the carefully crafted dumb blonde image she played on screen, Marilyn Monroe possessed a sharp, curious, and deeply reflective mind. Away from the cameras, she found comfort and stimulation in books, often turning to literature as a private refuge from the pressures of fame. Mayroon siyang personal na aklatan na may mahigit 400 na libro, isang kahanghang koleksyon na kinabibilangan ng mga akda ni na Fyodor Dostoevsky, James Joyce at Sigmund Freud. Hindi ito basta-bastang mga babasahin, kundi mga komplikado at mapanghamong akda na nagpapakita ng kanyang interes sa psychology, pagdurusa ng tao at sa masalimuot na mundo ng isipan. Ang kanyang pagmamahal sa pagbabasa ay naglantad ng isang babaeng mas malalim mag-isip at mas intelektual kaysa mga papel na madalas ibinibigay sa kanya. Isang taong nagtatanong, nakaramdam ng todo at patuloy na naghahanap ng kahulugan sa buhay lampas sa liwanag ng spotlight. Number 4, he founded her own production company. At a time when Hollywood tightly controlled its stars, especially women, Marilyn Monroe made a bold and unconventional move. In 1955, she co-founded Marilyn Monroe Productions, stepping beyond the role of actress and into the world of creative and business decision-making. This groundbreaking decision made her one of the first female stars in Hollywood to demand and achieve both creative freedom and financial control over her career. It was a quiet but powerful act of defiance against a system that often reduced women to images rather than voices. Through this move, Marilyn proved that she was not merely a symbol crafted by studios, but a woman determined to shape her own destiny on her own terms. Number 5, she struggled with mental health and prescription drug dependence. Sa likod ng glamour at pandaigdigang paghanga, si Marilyn Monroe ay tahimik na nakikipaglaban sa mga panloob na pagsubok na bihirang pag-usapan noong kanyang panahon. Namuhay siya na may patuloy na anxiety, mga yugto ng depression at matinding insomnia, mga kondisyon na mas bukas ng tinatalakay ngayon, ngunit noon ay madalas hindi naunawaan o pinapansin. Sa panahong kulang pa ang kaalaman at malasakit sa mental health, naging sandigan ni Marilyn ang mga gamot na iniresita ng doktor upang siya'y makaya at makapagpatuloy sa araw-araw. Ang mga gamot na ito na lalong magbigay ginhawa ay naging bahagi ng isang paulit-ulit na siklo, sumasalamin sa limitadong medical understanding at suportang mayroon siya noon. Ang kanyang mga pinagdadaanan ay hindi tanda ng kahinaan, kundi patunay ng isang babaeng pilit na nabubuhay sa gitna ng matinding pressure, mag-isa at tahimik. Ipinapakita nito ang mas makataong anyo ni Marilyn, isang babaeng hinubog hindi lamang ng kasikatan, kundi ng mga emosyonal at psychological na pangangailangang matagal niyang pinasan. Number 6, she was one of the biggest film stars of the 1950s. Pagsapit ng 1950s, si Marilyn Monroe ay hindi na lamang isang movie star. Isa na siyang global phenomenon. Sa kanyang kakaibang charisma at lakas na presensya sa screen, pinaghari-harian niya ang silver screen sa ginintuang panahon ng Hollywood at nahuli ang atensyon ng mga manunood sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Ang mga pelikulang Gentlemen Prefer Blondes in 1953 and Some Like It Hot in 1959 ang lalo pang nagpatibay sa kanyang katayuan bilang isang international icon at tunay na box office powerhouse. Ang kanyang mga pagganap ay hindi lang naging commercially successful, kundi naging culturally defining. Binago kung paano tinitingnan ang femininity, humor at star power sa pelikula nung panahong yon. Ang tagumpay ni Marilyn sa panahong ito ang naglagay sa kanya sa hanay ng mga pinakama-impluwensyang personalidad sa kasaysayan ng pelikula. Patunay na ang kanyang hatak ay higit pa sa pisikal na kagandahan at nag-iwan ng pangmatagalang marka sa Hollywood at sa popular na kultura. And number 7, her death remains controversial. Ang buhay ni Marilyn Monroe ay nagtapos ng maaga at trahedya noong August 4, 1962 sa edad na 36. Nabigla ang buong mundo sa pagkawala ng isang babaeng naging isa sa pinakakilala at pinakamamahal na personalidad ng ika-20 siglo. Ayon sa Los Angeles County Coroner's Report, ang kanyang pagpanaw ay opisyal na itinuring na probable suicide dulot ng barbiturate overdose. Ngunit sa kabila ng opisyal na resulta, patuloy na umusbong ang mga tanong at iba't ibang teorya sa paglipas ng mga dekada. Sumasalamin sa misteryo, matinding pressure at walang humpay na pagsisiyasat na bumalot sa kanyang buhay, maging matapos ang kanyang pagpanaw. What remains undeniable is that Marilyn's death marked the end of a luminous yet deeply fragile journey, one that continues to invite reflection, debate, and compassion as the world still seeks to understand the woman behind the legend. These 7 real facts reminds us that Marilyn Monroe was far more than the image the world projected onto her. Behind the bright lights, iconic poses, and unforgettable performances was a woman shaped by hardship, intelligence, ambition, vulnerability, and courage. She fought to be seen not just as a symbol, but as a real person with depth, dreams, and a voice of her own. Ang kanyang kwento ay hindi lamang tungkol sa kasikatan at trahedya, kundi tungkol sa pagiging hindi naunawaan, sa tahimik na lakas na kailangan upang lampasan ang mga laban na hindi nakikita ng iba, at sa bigat ng pagiging laging nasa ilalim ng mapanuring mata ng mundo. Makalipas ang maraming dekada, patuloy pa ring hinaplos ng kwento ni Marilyn Monroe ang ating damdamin. Hindi dahil siya ay perpekto, kundi dahil siya ay tunay na tao. So now, I ask you, which of these 7 real facts changed the way you see Marilyn Monroe the most, and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And if this story spoke to you, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to At Home with Mardy for more real, inspiring, and educational stories that go beyond the surface and touch the heart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Daghang salamat! Before we wrap up today's vlog, I want to leave you with an inspiring thoughts from David Wolper. Relax, life is beautiful.